Welcome to the Hosting or Email Setup Guide. Today, we'll explore why professional email is essential for your business and how Hostinger can help you get there. Hostinger offers a range of email hosting features tailored to fit different needs. Let's take a look at the packages available. First, we need to access the Hostinger dashboard. Open your browser and log into your account. In the dashboard, navigate to the email section. Click on Create New Account and fill in the necessary details. Next, set up your email security options and recovery details to ensure your account is protected. For efficiency, you can set up email forwarding and autoresponders directly in your Hostinger account. You can access your email through webmail or configure email clients to manage your messages effectively. Managing existing email accounts is simple. Learn how to edit, delete, or change passwords in just a few clicks. Finally, let's cover some best practices for using your professional email to enhance your business communication. Thank you for watching our guide. For further assistance with hosting or email services, don't hesitate to reach out for support.